Hi everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily manually move emails between categories in iOS 26. Here we are now in our inbox, and right now we just have to find our email we want to move and swipe to the right. Not at all right, but to see these four options. Here, as you can see, we have more, flag, archive, and clear. We have to tap more. Now we have to scroll a little bit down, and here we have categorize sender. We have to tap that, and here we have automatically or primary, transactions, updates, or promotions. So for example, this is Dropbox. So for example, let me move it to updates. Here, continue. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.